First up, you're gonna blend your ripe breadfruit. So cut it into pieces, make sure it's ripe, and you can steam it first. Take away all that rawness, is that the right word? Rawness from it. So blend your breadfruit in some water. Continue stirring as you add your blended breadfruit to your container. Next to the blender, we're going to add some water plus some grated nutmeg. In next goes our sugar, sweetened to taste. And get that all blended out, all mixed out. If you prefer to mix it, it's better to blend, so get everything smooth. Next is our milk mixture. So if you have Lasco, box milk, you can use any type of milk in it. I'm gonna add all our Jamaican things. Add our vanilla, and you can add cinnamon as well, but this vanilla has cinnamon in it. Add our Jamaican white rum, and you can add some of these if you want. Some people just don't like things like dragon and stuff, but you can add them. It gives a nice taste. We're adding supligen, dragon, and Malta. And some peanut punch as well. Add all of these to your breadfruit mixture, all the milk and the dragon, all of those stuff to your breadfruit mixture. Add a little salt to taste and stir. Quick and easy. And just like that, add some ice to cool, to chill, and have your nice Sunday juice.